Welcome. Today, we're diving into the concept of a dopamine detox, a practice designed to help you reset your brain's reward system. In our modern world, we're constantly bombarded by instant gratification from social media, junk food, and endless entertainment. This overload can make it harder to enjoy simple pleasures and focus on meaningful tasks. A dopamine detox is a short period where you intentionally avoid these high-stimulation activities, giving your mind a chance to recalibrate. Over the next 3 days, you'll learn how to step back from these habits and rediscover balance. Let's start by understanding what dopamine is and why a detox might benefit you. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter in your brain that plays a key role in motivation, pleasure, and reward. Every time you check your phone, eat a sugary snack, or binge-watch a show, your brain releases dopamine, reinforcing those behaviors. Over time, this can lead to a cycle of seeking quick rewards and feeling less satisfied with everyday life. By taking a break from these stimuli, you allow your brain to reset its sensitivity to dopamine, making it easier to find joy in simple, healthy activities. This understanding is the foundation of a successful dopamine detox. You might wonder, why should you consider a dopamine detox? If you find yourself constantly reaching for your phone, struggling to focus, or feeling unmotivated, your brain could be overloaded with dopamine-triggering activities. A detox helps break these patterns, giving you space to reflect, regain control, and improve your mental clarity. Many people report feeling more focused, calm, and satisfied with life after a short detox. It's not about eliminating pleasure, but about restoring balance and making room for deeper, more meaningful experiences. Preparation is key for a successful dopamine detox. Start by identifying which activities you want to avoid. These might include social media, video games, junk food, or even excessive internet browsing. Make a list of these triggers and plan how you'll minimize or eliminate them for the next 3 days. Inform friends or family about your plan so they can support you. Set up your environment by removing temptations and preparing healthy alternatives, like books, journals, or nature walks. With a clear plan, you'll be ready to start your detox journey. Before you begin, take a moment to set your intentions. Ask yourself why you want to do this detox and what you hope to achieve. Maybe you want to improve your focus, feel more present, or simply break free from unhealthy habits. Write down your goals and keep them visible throughout the 3 days. This will help you stay motivated and remind you of the bigger picture when things get challenging. Setting clear intentions gives your detox a sense of purpose and direction. On the first day, focus on reducing digital stimulation. This means avoiding social media, video streaming, online games, and unnecessary internet browsing. Turn off notifications and, if possible, put your phone on airplane mode or leave it in another room. Instead, spend your time on offline activities like reading, journaling, or going for a walk. You might notice urges to check your devices. Acknowledge these feelings without giving in. The first day can be challenging, but it's a crucial step in resetting your brain's reward system. With screens out of the picture, you might wonder how to fill your time. Consider activities like reading a physical book, writing in a journal, drawing, or taking a nature walk. These activities are low in dopamine stimulation, but high in personal satisfaction. They help you reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Try to be present in the moment, noticing details you might usually overlook. This is a great opportunity to rediscover simple joys and practice mindfulness. Boredom is a common challenge during a dopamine detox, especially on the first day. Without constant stimulation, your mind may wander or feel restless. Instead of reaching for your phone, try to sit with the feeling. Boredom can actually be beneficial. It encourages creativity and self-reflection. Use this time to think, meditate, or simply observe your surroundings. Remember, the discomfort is temporary and part of the process. Embracing boredom is a powerful step toward breaking the cycle of instant gratification. During your detox, pay attention to your eating habits. Avoid junk food, sugary snacks, and processed foods that give you quick dopamine hits. Instead, focus on whole, nutritious foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Preparing your own meals can be a mindful activity that supports your detox goals. Eating healthy not only benefits your body, but also helps stabilize your mood and energy levels throughout the detox. Physical activity is a great way to support your dopamine detox. Instead of high-intensity workouts, try gentle exercises like stretching, yoga, or walking. These activities help you stay active without overstimulating your brain. Mindful movement also encourages you to connect with your body and reduce stress. Even a short walk outside can boost your mood and provide a refreshing break from digital distractions. Journaling is a powerful tool during a dopamine detox. Take a few minutes each day to write about your thoughts, feelings, and observations. Reflect on what triggers your urges and how you respond to them. Journaling can help you process emotions, track your progress, and gain insights into your habits. It's also a great way to celebrate small victories and stay motivated throughout the detox. On the second day, you'll deepen your detox by continuing to avoid digital and high-stimulation activities. You might notice your mind becoming clearer and your urges less intense. Use this day to focus on self-care and mindfulness. Try meditating, practicing gratitude, or spending time in nature. The second day is about building on the progress you made and reinforcing new, healthier habits. Stay patient with yourself and remember that change takes time. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment. During your detox, set aside time each day to focus on your breath, sensations, or surroundings. You can try guided meditations, mindful eating, or simply sitting quietly and observing your thoughts. Mindfulness helps reduce stress, improve focus, and increase your awareness of habits and triggers. It's a valuable skill that will support you long after your detox ends. Practicing gratitude can shift your focus from what you're missing to what you already have. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. These can be simple, like a warm cup of tea or a kind word from a friend. Gratitude helps rewire your brain to notice positive experiences and enhances your overall well-being. It's a simple yet powerful practice to include in your detox routine. Spending time in nature is a great way to support your dopamine detox. Go for a walk in a park, sit under a tree, or simply observe the sky. Nature provides gentle stimulation that calms the mind and restores your sense of balance. It's also an opportunity to disconnect from technology and reconnect with the world around you. Even a few minutes outdoors can make a big difference in your mood and energy. Engaging in creative activities can be deeply rewarding during a dopamine detox. Try drawing, painting, playing an instrument, or writing poetry. These activities stimulate your mind in a healthy way and provide a sense of accomplishment. You don't have to be an artist, just enjoy the process and let your creativity flow. Creative expression is a wonderful way to explore your thoughts and feelings without relying on external stimulation. While you're avoiding digital communication, real-life social connection is encouraged. Spend time with family or friends in person, have a meaningful conversation, or share a meal together. Human connection is a natural source of dopamine that supports your emotional well-being. Focus on being present and listening actively. These moments can be deeply fulfilling and help you feel supported during your detox. Quality sleep is essential during a dopamine detox. Without late-night screen time or stimulating activities, you may find it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Establish a calming bedtime routine, such as reading, gentle stretching, or listening to soothing music. Prioritizing rest helps your brain recover and supports the benefits of your detox. Remember, good sleep is a foundation for mental and physical health. Don't forget to take care of your body during your detox. Drink plenty of water and practice self-care routines like skincare, stretching, or taking a relaxing bath. These simple acts of self-kindness can boost your mood and help you feel more grounded. Self-care is an important part of the detox process, reminding you to nurture both your mind and body. As you reach the end of day 2, take time to reflect on your progress. Notice any changes in your mood, focus, or energy. Are you feeling calmer or more present? Write down your observations in your journal. Reflecting helps you appreciate how far you've come and reinforces your commitment to the detox. Even small improvements are worth celebrating. On the third day, you'll likely notice a shift in your mindset. The urge for constant stimulation may have lessened, and you might feel more content with simple activities. Embrace this simplicity. Spend time doing things that bring you genuine joy, like cooking, gardening, or spending time with loved ones. The third day is about enjoying the benefits of your detox and solidifying new, healthier habits. Cooking your own meals can be a meditative and rewarding experience. Choose fresh ingredients and take your time preparing food. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite and paying attention to flavors and textures. This not only supports your physical health, but also helps you appreciate the process of nourishing your body. Mindful eating is a valuable habit to carry forward after your detox. If you have access to a garden or outdoor space, spend some time tending to plants or simply enjoying the fresh air. Gardening is a calming, hands-on activity that connects you with nature and provides gentle physical movement. Even if you don't have a garden, a walk in a park or sitting on a balcony can offer similar benefits. Outdoor activities help ground you and reinforce the simplicity of the detox experience. Performing small acts of kindness can boost your mood and create a sense of connection. This could be as simple as helping a neighbor, writing a thank you note, or offering a compliment. Kindness releases natural dopamine and strengthens your relationships. These positive actions not only benefit others, but also enhance your own well-being during the detox. Use this time to learn a new skill or explore a new hobby. Whether it's cooking a new recipe, trying a craft, or reading about a topic that interests you, learning stimulates your brain in a healthy way. It provides a sense of accomplishment and keeps your mind engaged without relying on digital distractions. Embrace curiosity and enjoy the process of discovery. Meditation and deep breathing exercises are excellent ways to calm your mind and reduce stress during your detox. Set aside a few minutes each day to sit quietly, focus on your breath, and let go of tension. These practices help regulate your nervous system and support emotional balance. Over time, you may find it easier to manage stress and stay present in daily life. A dopamine detox is a great opportunity to reconnect with passions or interests you may have neglected. Maybe you used to love playing an instrument, writing stories, or hiking. Rediscovering these activities can bring genuine joy and fulfillment. Take time to explore what truly excites you, without the need for constant digital stimulation. As your detox progresses, consider building new routines that support your well-being. This could include a morning walk, a daily gratitude practice, or a set time for creative work. Consistent routines help structure your day and make it easier to maintain healthy habits after the detox ends. Start small and adjust as needed to fit your lifestyle. It's normal to experience setbacks or slip-ups during a dopamine detox. If you find yourself reaching for your phone or indulging in a forbidden snack, don't be too hard on yourself. Acknowledge the slip, reflect on what triggered it, and gently return to your detox plan. Progress is more important than perfection, and every effort counts toward your overall growth. Throughout your detox, take time to celebrate small victories. Maybe you resisted the urge to check your phone, cooked a healthy meal, or enjoyed a peaceful walk. Recognizing these achievements boosts your motivation and reinforces positive change. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and use it as fuel to keep going. Let's briefly touch on the science behind a dopamine detox. By reducing exposure to high dopamine activities, you allow your brain's reward system to reset. This can increase your sensitivity to natural rewards and improve your ability to focus and enjoy everyday life. Studies suggest that regular breaks from digital stimulation can enhance mental health and overall well-being. Understanding the science can help you stay committed to the process. Completing a dopamine detox can bring a range of benefits. Many people report improved focus, greater emotional stability, and a renewed appreciation for simple pleasures. You may find it easier to concentrate, feel less anxious, and experience more satisfaction from everyday activities. These benefits often extend beyond the detox period, supporting long-term well-being and personal growth. As your 3-day detox comes to an end, reflect on what you've learned. Which activities brought you the most joy? What habits do you want to continue? Use these insights to make lasting changes in your daily life. You might decide to limit screen time, schedule regular nature walks, or keep up with journaling. Integrating these lessons ensures the benefits of your detox last well beyond the 3 days. A dopamine detox is just the beginning of building a balanced lifestyle. Aim to find a healthy mix of work, rest, social connection, and personal growth. Schedule regular breaks from technology, prioritize self-care, and make time for activities that truly matter to you. Balance is key to maintaining mental clarity and emotional well-being in the long run. After your detox, it's important to set boundaries with technology. Decide when and how you'll use your devices. Maybe you'll have screen-free mornings or limit social media to certain times of day. Setting boundaries helps prevent falling back into old habits and keeps your brain's reward system balanced. Remember, technology is a tool, not a master. The key to lasting change is consistency. Continue practicing the healthy habits you developed during your detox, such as mindful eating, regular exercise, and daily reflection. Over time, these habits become second nature and support your overall well-being. Remember, progress is a journey and every step counts. Having a support system can make it easier to maintain your new habits. Share your goals with friends or family, or join a community of like-minded individuals. Support and accountability help you stay motivated and overcome challenges. Remember, you don't have to do it alone. Connection is a key part of lasting change. Relapses can happen, and that's okay. If you find yourself slipping back into old habits, don't give up. Reflect on what triggered the relapse and make adjustments as needed. Use setbacks as learning opportunities and remind yourself of the progress you've made. Every day is a chance to start fresh and continue growing. You can repeat a dopamine detox whenever you feel overwhelmed or notice old habits creeping back in. Some people choose to do a mini detox once a month or even once a week. Regular resets help maintain balance and prevent burnout. Listen to your mind and body, and give yourself permission to take a break whenever you need it. There are some common myths about dopamine detox. It's not about eliminating all pleasure or becoming a monk. It's about finding balance and breaking unhealthy cycles. You don't have to avoid all enjoyable activities, just those that trigger compulsive behaviors. The goal is to reset your brain, not to deprive yourself of happiness. Understanding these myths can help you approach the detox with a healthy mindset. Throughout your detox and beyond, pay attention to your body's signals. Notice how different activities affect your mood, energy, and focus. Use this awareness to make choices that support your well-being. Your body is a valuable guide. Listening to it helps you stay balanced and healthy in the long term. Everyone's dopamine detox will look a little different. Personalize your approach based on your habits, triggers, and goals. Maybe you need to focus more on digital detox, or perhaps food is your main challenge. Tailor the process to fit your needs and adjust as you learn what works best for you. Personalization increases your chances of success and makes the experience more meaningful. Adopting a long-term mindset is key to sustaining the benefits of your dopamine detox. Instead of viewing it as a quick fix, see it as the start of an ongoing journey toward balance and well-being. Set realistic expectations and be patient with yourself. Growth takes time, and every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, more fulfilling life. If you'd like more support, there are plenty of resources available. Look for books, podcasts, or online communities focused on digital wellness and habit change. Connecting with others who share your goals can provide encouragement and accountability. Remember, support is always available, and reaching out can make your journey easier and more enjoyable. Congratulations on completing your 3-day dopamine detox. You've taken important steps toward resetting your brain and building healthier habits. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Use what you've learned to create a more balanced, fulfilling life. Celebrate your progress, stay curious, and continue exploring ways to support your well-being. Your new beginning starts now.